You understand? You know who you are, you know who Yah is, and you know who we are, and you're disseminating this knowledge out to the people. What did Yah say? In Malachi 4, I'm going to raise up Eliah. Okay? And in chapter 3, what does it say? Then you shall discern. And okay, you shall return unto me. Again, at the end time. Because what did the angel tell Daniel in chapter 12? Go thy way, Daniel, for the book is sealed. Till when? Till the time of the end. Okay, that's why it says in Isaiah chapter 29, when it said you're going to take this book of remembrance, okay, around, and you're going to say, read this to somebody who's not learned. And they're going to say, I can't read it because I'm not learned, I'm not educated. And you're going to take it to somebody who is learned, educated. And they're going to say, I can't understand it because the book is sealed. And the book was to be sealed, as it says in Daniel chapter 12, till the time of the end. We're at the end now. The seal is off. And as it says in Malachi chapter 3 at the end, then you shall return. Because this is the time when Yah is making up his jewels. Okay? Because this is when Yah is coming back into the world. That's the symbolism of the stone cut out of the mountain without hands. Okay? It's cut out without hands. You follow? So now is the time for Yah's way to be lifted up, okay, and the covers to be pulled off of Christianity, Islam, all these idolatrous religions. And with that was part 2 of the dispelling of the Christian myth. Ask your pastors, ask your preachers, ask your ministers, ask your teachers to talk about these prophecies. I hope you take this show, or if it's on your computer, you can go back and see it. And with that, for Yah righteousness, Jerusalem, and the Holy See, blessed be the name of Yah forever, for he is the Savior, okay? And only him. There is no other Savior. Yah bless, audience. Peace. Who's not serving Yah. So with that, for Yah righteousness, Jerusalem, and the Holy See, blessed be the name of Yah. And bless all the audience out there, and peace, audience.